Alright, boys, I'm just going to do a quick little daily outlook for tomorrow and tell you guys what I'm looking for and to see where the markets are going for August 21st and August 22nd. So pretty much what I see on the higher time frame right now is we have an SMT. I have this marked out. We have an SMT at this swing point, right, this daily ERL. Now price could continue down lower, but with this strong candle body closure sweeping this ERL with SMT, I'd like price to attack this previous day high and tap into this daily internal range of liquidity. So we have that SMT, as you can clearly see that. So that's pretty much what I'm looking for on the higher time frame. You go down to the 4-hour chart, as you can clearly see, right? This 4-hour candle just closed. We just inversed this 4-hour bearish for value gap. And ES actually looks stronger here. Now ideally, pretty much I'm looking for a lower time frame SMT to attack these highs. Now we actually have the finance meeting this week, right? So tomorrow and today the price might not be actually that good because the finance meeting is actually starting today. I most likely won't trade on Friday, but I'll look to trade on Thursday. So we can go down to the lower time frame, the hourly chart, and we can see how price is holding. So pretty much we're respecting this bearish, or we're disrespecting this bearish 4-hour for value gap. We're respecting this hourly 1 hour for value gap, and I do think this should be the low, right, of this week. This candle low right here, this should be the low of the week, unless we get some crazy news and we don't. But ideally we should just continue higher, maybe tap into this previous day high. If we get a rejection, we'll get a rejection. If not, we'll continue inverse this for value gap and target the daily ERL on the highs. So pretty much what I'm looking for is ideally, create some sort of gap, get some SMT inside of the gap during London, and then just a continuation profile. Right now, the manipulation for the daily candle, right, looks like we continue higher just based off this closure. And then so my drawn liquidity for tomorrow is just previous day high, and that's the objective I'm looking for. So it's pretty self-explanatory. We get that 1 hour change in the steady delivery here as well, right? We have this devil's mark. Ideally, I would have loved ES to sweep this, and then we have that SMT, and then we really continue higher, but we have this 1 hour devil's mark at 3 p.m. So honestly, we'll see how price reacts. I do think we inverse all of this liquidity. We'll target these highs and this previous day high, tapping into that gap. So yeah, honestly, I'm looking for a bullish reaction there, and then maybe we can at 10 a.m. get an open high, low, close back into the range, or we just continue booming higher, right? It really just does depend on how we want to react. But till that previous day high, I'm bullish. So I hope you guys, took a key, learn. Mic check, hello, hello, hello. So I hope you guys learned something from this. I'm just looking for, a continuation off this price leg. We're respecting bearish PD arrays. We can go down even lower just to give you some more context. We get this 30-minute change in the steady delivery, as well as that hourly change in the steady delivery off this hourly gap. We pretty much, we retrace into equilibrium of the daily candle before, and I do think we just continue higher. Now ideally we don't sweep our previous day high during London or Asian session, but even if we do, before New York session, this could be our open, high, low, and then close, right? So it really does depend, but I do think we're bullish for the rest of the week. So yeah, that's the daily recap.